Best Motocross Motorcycles 2025, Honda CRF450R. The 2025 Honda CRF450R has emerged as a top contender in the motocross world, showcasing a perfect blend of power, agility, and advanced technology. This latest iteration of Honda's iconic motocross machine is designed to excel on the track and tackle the most challenging off-road conditions. Engine and performance. The CRF450R is powered by a 449 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine, which delivers an impressive 56 horsepower. This potent engine features a revised cylinder head and updated fuel injection system, resulting in improved throttle response and overall performance. The bike's refined power delivery ensures optimal acceleration and speed, crucial for competitive racing and intense riding conditions. The 2025 model also benefits from an advanced suspension system, including a Showa 49mm fully adjustable fork and a Pro-Link rear suspension. These components offer enhanced adjustability and improved damping, allowing riders to fine-tune their setup for various track conditions and personal preferences. The suspension's responsiveness and stability contribute to superior handling and cornering performance. Technology and features. Honda has equipped the CRF450R with state-of-the-art technology to enhance the riding experience. The bike features an updated ECU with selectable riding modes, allowing riders to adjust engine performance characteristics to suit different track conditions. Additionally, the CRF450R boasts a new, lighter-weight chassis and improved ergonomics, providing a more agile and responsive feel. Safety features include advanced traction control and a refined braking system with larger front and rear discs. These enhancements offer better control and stopping power, crucial for navigating tight corners and technical sections of the track. Design and comfort. The 2025 CRF450R features a sleek, aggressive design with a focus on functionality. Its lightweight frame and aerodynamic bodywork contribute to improved agility and performance. The bike's ergonomic design ensures a comfortable ride, with an adjustable seat and intuitive controls that enhance rider confidence and control. Conclusion. The 2025 Honda CRF450R stands out as a leading choice in the motocross category, thanks to its powerful engine, advanced technology, and superior handling. Its combination of performance and innovation makes it a top pick for motocross enthusiasts and professional riders seeking a high-performing machine for the most demanding tracks.